Cherries. These small, juicy, and delicious fruits are loved worldwide. But have you ever wondered how they are grown, harvested, and processed before reaching your plate? Today, we take you on a fascinating journey into the world of cherry farming. From delicate blossoms to the sweet and tangy fruit we all love, cherries go through an incredible process of cultivation and harvesting. Let's dive into the journey of cherries from farm to table. Cherries thrive in temperate climates with cold winters and warm summers. Cherries need well-drained, sandy or loamy soil with a slightly acidic pH. Elevation also plays a role. Higher altitudes with cold winters help trees enter dormancy, which is crucial for good fruit production. The soil needs to be well-drained and slightly acidic. Farmers carefully plant cherry saplings in neat rows, ensuring they get enough space for proper growth. To encourage strong root development, the soil is prepared with organic matter, and young trees are supported with stakes for stability. Cherry trees rely on bees for pollination. When spring arrives, the trees burst into a sea of white and pink blossoms, attracting pollinators that ensure a successful fruit yield. Farmers often place beehives in their orchards to ensure successful pollination, which leads to a better fruit set. Pruning is essential to keep trees healthy and ensure they produce high-quality fruit. Farmers remove excess branches to allow sunlight and air to reach the fruit. Cherry trees are prone to pests like aphids and birds. Farmers use natural predators, netting, and mild pesticides to protect their crops. Cherries need consistent watering, but overwatering can damage them. Many farms use drip irrigation to ensure optimal moisture levels. Farmers test soil regularly to maintain optimal nutrient balance. Thinning is done to prevent overcrowding and ensure larger, sweeter cherries. This helps the tree focus its energy on fewer but higher quality fruits. Cherries are ready for harvest when they turn a deep red, black, or yellow, depending on the variety, and feel firm, yet slightly soft. Most premium cherries are handpicked to avoid bruising. Workers carefully twist and pull the cherries with their stems intact. For large-scale harvesting, machines gently shake the trees, causing cherries to fall onto soft catching mats. After harvesting, cherries are transported to processing centers where they are washed thoroughly to remove dirt and residues. Cherries are then sorted by size, color, and ripeness using advanced laser technology in human inspection. After sorting, cherries are packed in temperature-controlled environments to maintain freshness before shipping to markets worldwide. Cherries are more than just a fruit, they're the result of careful planning, hard work, and nature's wonders. The next time you enjoy a cherry, remember the incredible journey it took to reach you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating farming stories. Thanks for watching.